Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This video is a part of 12 days of Christmas. Day 1 is ornaments, more on that further in the video, but let's jump into our first DIY. These are some gift tags I picked up from Dollar Tree, and there are 20 in the pack, and I'll be using 4 of them. I'm going to be doing double-sided ornaments. So I selected 2 that says Merry and Bright and 2 that says Wishing you peace, love and joy. I am so looking forward to Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite seasons. How about you? Let me know in the comments below. So here I have both of them selected. So I took the school glue and I applied some to the back, and then I'm placing the other one on top of that. And like I said, it's reversible, both on the same side. Now, if you decide to recreate this using the same gift tags, you can use one with the other. You don't necessarily have to use both of them for the same ornament. So then I took the brayer and I'm just rolling that out to make sure that that is completely pressed. You can use a glue stick or the Mod Podge or any other liquid glue. So now I took the glitter fern, and this is also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just snipping off a few pieces, and then I'm going to glue that out. I'm going to glue that on at the top just to embellish it a little bit. And this piece was a little curly, so I just took the heat gun and just heated up a little bit and stretched it out. I had a little red ribbon and I made 2 small bows. Now, because one side of the ribbon is shiny, this is how you'll have to make it. When you're making your finger bow, when you're going to make the second loop, you kind of turn it a little bit before you feed it through, so that the shiny part is at the back. And then once I made that, I then just trimmed it down, dovetail the ends, and glue that on the other ornament. If you are loving the inspiration so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and add a little Christmas tree with your comment. And then I took the string that came with it and just tie that there. And that's going to be for the hanger. And then just use the hot glue to tack it down a little. I did not do anything to the other side because this was already crowded and it wasn't necessary to do any other embellishment to the other side. So I just took a little of the hot glue and glued down the ends, and these ornaments are done. Let me know what you think about these. More in the final reveal. Now this is 12 days of Christmas, and this is where we post one DIY for 12 days, but you can choose any of the days that you would like to participate. And this is hosted by Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Amanda from Molly Cole Creations. Like I said, we are doing ornaments for day 1, and day 2 will be something else, day 3 something else. I will leave links to these ladies' channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist. Now let's jump into our second inspiration. This ornament is from the Dollar Tree. I am not doing anything to that side. I'm only going to use the blank side. So I'm taking this stencil that I got from Temu, and I'm just fuzzing it. Make sure that when I place it on my surface, it's not too sticky. Then I peeled it off and just placed it on the wood, making sure that I lined it up evenly. Then I'm going to use True Burgundy from Folk Art, and that is paint. And of course I forgot to press record, so I did not get to show you or film that part where I applied the paint. And then I applied some red and green to the mistletoe and berries, and then peel that off. And of course there was some bleeding because the stencil was folded and that caused the bleeding. So here I am just taking a little of my mixed paint and just painting out those areas, and then I'm going to go back in with the burgundy and touch up the areas that needed to be touched up. If you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And now that is done. I love it. Let me know what you think about this, guys. And then I took a burlap bow, trimmed off the end, burn off the fuzzies, and just glue that right at the top there. And that's all for this one. And guys, here are the 3 ornaments. Let me know which is your favorite. To follow me on social media, you can scan this QR code to my Linktree address, and there you will find all the platforms to reach me. Or check my description box for more information. Now let's jump into the final reveal. Here are the 3 ornaments that I made for this challenge. 12 days of Christmas, day 1 being ornaments, and we were only required to make 1 ornament, but I made 3. I would like to thank Brenda and Amanda for allowing me to participate. Guys, don't forget to check out the awesome playlist. You will be so inspired. I can't wait to see what the other ladies have prepared. And if you happen to go into Dollar Tree and see these gift tags, grab them because you can use them for both gift tags as well as ornaments. Alright guys, there you have it. So if you love budget-friendly content like this and would like to watch more, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Bye!